When you see a landfill, that's depressing. So it's kind of cool to see when people are able to take the things we once thought to be trash and useless and imagine a new use for them.
I like small businesses because they care a lot more about the customer. You can usually meet the leaders of the companies a lot more easily and talk to them about the products. They're more open about what they're doing. They don't just care about the money. They're really willing to help you, and also they have really creative ideas for their products.
And here it is. So what we've done is we've invented a speaker that's made to fit inside of a soda can. Plug it into your iPod. What is this thing? Okay, press play. It turns right on automatically. There, we'll turn it up a little bit.
The only other aspect of the trash amps that is unique would be its guitar functionality. Most products don't include the gain and the distortion required for an electric guitar, and that kind of stands us out from the crowd.
Well, here's a simple song I made, but
I think consumers will be more hesitant to buy a environmentally friendly product from China.
If you tell somebody that their iPhone is made in China, they could care less. But if you go to them saying that it's an environmentally friendly product and that it's made in China, all of a sudden arms get thrown up.
But one of the things I've learned is that sustainability is a lot more complex than we often think.
I don't think the environmental aspects of trash amps has limited us in the design of the product. It's kind of helped us focus on what's important, primarily with the packaging, trying to use recyclable paper and other products.
When we were making them by hand, we found all the parts and had them sent here to the house, and each part came packaged in its individual packaging, and so we had all these different parts, and then we put them together ourselves. But when we were done, I had all this packaging for every single item that goes into the trash amp. My take on it is that it's actually more environmentally friendly to make them in China. They're already set up to collect cans and melt them back down and make them into new cans. So, I don't know. The fact that it has never had soda in it, does that really make it less green? It could actually be the opposite. When we were making them by hand, we kind of had to use the technology and the tools that we had available to us, which is far different from the tools and technology that a factory set up to make trash amps has in China. We were laser cutting, they're going to injection mold them, and we can actually request that they use recycled plastic to make those parts. So that's one simple example of something that we weren't able to do because of the scale and because of the tools we have available to us.
I think getting the trash amps made in China is a good business practice for us, just because electronics are primarily made there anyway.
They have tools and technology that I don't have access to that enables them to use more recycled materials, and I think that the packaging and the freight of these parts going all around the world before they arrive here, it's better just to put it all together in China and then ship me one thing, or even to ship the one thing directly to the customer. Now, the other concept, which I'm most excited about, is creating trash amps as more of a kit.
They could essentially take the guts, the electronics, the speaker, the batteries, and put it in their own item.
I think wherever trash amps goes, sustainability should be part of it. I think the real power of the trash amps concept is not just a speaker in a soda can, but the idea that you could really make anything into a speaker, and beyond that, you could really make anything into anything. Our mind is just the limit.